Come test drive the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all season. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.